Hello. Today I will show very short video. Recently I got some requirements for the spare part of that I don't remember how it's in English. It's a small part which connect the bolt with the front handle, and there is a puzzle lock there. And some people had the problem with that puzzle lock broken, and they think by some way that it's a defect of the design, but I'm sure it's not. I think the problem is with the way they try to take it off. I will show you the right way now. So what you should do, you should cock the gun, put it on safety, then unscrew the bolt at the back of the breech, then move it a little bit this way and move. Okay, I will turn over and move breech back, and here you see the puzzle, and you have to take it off by that way, a little shaking it from side to side. It's like that. Yeah, if you try to take it off by this way, you can break it, because it's made very precisely in order to avoid the gaps between these two parts. And so the installing back, where's the ring? Ring is here. And so installing back is, okay, ring. Don't lose the ring, put it here. And installing back is very easy, the same way, just, okay. Okay, put it this way, move it forward, the ring, I lost the ring, sorry, put it, okay, got it, and fix the breech. Okay, take off the safety, keep it, push, that's it. So, as you see, it's very easy. The only thing you need to keep it parallel. Don't make it that way, just this way. That's it, and you will never break it. And that's not the question of the design, that's the question of the use, because there is always a way to break anything with a way of misusing the thing. Hope it will help you. Thanks. Bye.